Next step is to remove the bolt from the receiver. Slides back and forth like that. See how it locks up. So what you do is pull the bolt assembly back to this position, and there's an opening in the receiver slot here, and that's where you're going to pull the bolt handle out, like that. Okay, and then what you do is tilt this up like this, and it comes out like that. And now you can clean the barrel bore from the breech end. To put it back in, it's the same thing in reverse. You can make sure your bolt head is extended like this. Hold it, slide in, tilt upwards a bit. There it goes. There. Okay. Then position it again right about there. That opening for this bolt handle to come through, and put it back in. That.